Alright, y'all, we're going to do the video for Anita's electric kettle. It's 25 spots at $1.50 a spot. We are live at 4:47. 4:47. Alright, we'll post our list. I'll roll up it slow so everybody can see their spots. Alright, there's only 25 spots, so we need a 4 or higher. We have a 7, so that'll do it. Alright, we're going to do our first roll at 4:48. It's 4:48. After the first roll, we have Debbie on top and Shalana on bottom. There's 25 items in our list. 4:48. And our dice call for a 7. So here we go. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And after our 6th roll, we have Shalana on top and Amy Logan on bottom. Our dice called for a 7. And we're going to do our last roll at 4:49. Alright, after the 7th roll, we still have Shalana on top in spot number 10. So congratulations, Shalana. There were 25 items in our list. We rolled 7 times. The dice called for a 7. And we are done. At 4:50. 4:50. Congratulations to Shalana.